today I want to share with you guys something that I picked up. Something very useful. It's this rear view mirror. And as you guys can see, I'm sure you guys have seen these before. I don't know if they call them Broadway mirrors, but they're extra wide. And see, this one's curved too. I've seen some people get these, and I've always noticed that the rear view mirror in these cars it's teeny. All you see is out the back window. If you see this one right here, it's actually made out of glass too. So I picked this one up. Most of them are plastic, which distorts them when you look through them. So this is a glass one. So I really highly recommend this. Let's see it in the car. I'll explain it. Okay. So if you see here, see how small that is? And then it has rounded edges on top of that. So I always find myself when I look through it, all you see pretty much is the back window. And it's hard to see out of that too, just because of the slope of it, because this car has more of a coupe-like design. So these mirrors will really let you see not only the back window, but also the port windows. And so it's a lot safer. Check that thing out. A lot bigger. And it's only probably an inch wider on each side, but it's a square or a rectangle. So it doesn't have those rounded edges. So you see, I mean, look how much you can see. Just like that, you can see the port windows compared to that. Huge difference. So let me go ahead and install it and I'll show you. So check that out, guys. Just from the normal viewing, this is how I normally set. You can see the side windows. See my hand right there? That's right next to the driver's door even. So where your blind spot would be. So with this mirror and the blind spot monitoring system that's in it, it'll really help you as far as like when you change lanes and stuff. A lot safer. And look how it installs. Very easy. Just has 4 little hooks on it. Right there. The wider ones go on the bottom. The top 2 are on springs. So you just attach it on the top. And then you pull down on the mirror because that's spring loaded. And then push it against the mirror and it holds it tight. It's perfect. Like I didn't really think I ever wanted one. And then I've seen people rave about them. And that's being glass, like I said, just make sure it's glass. I'll put a link in the description on this one. It was $8. Very cheap, but a lot safer. But like I said, I didn't think I really wanted one. Then I'm looking at it and it's like, it's just a lot safer. And you see, here's what it looks like from the outside. So not much bigger. It doesn't really drop down much, maybe a 1/4 inch lower. So it doesn't really take away too much of your view when you look out the windshield. But overall, it's safer because the one thing I could say is backing out of like parking spots, the rear view mirror is not that great. I mean, you use the reverse camera, I know, but say when you like lane change, you either look at the blind spot monitoring system or this little rear view mirror. So I like that. I mean, it just gives you that much more. You can glance up there, see something on the side of you, and then you have also your side mirrors, of course. So, I highly recommend it, especially for, like I said, $8 on Amazon. And it's real glass, so it doesn't distort the view at all. So, like I said, try it out. If you don't like it, you can return it. But I was going to take a chance on. I'm glad I did because, I mean, look at that. I mean, you can see the whole back of the car, which I like. All the side mirror, the windows, if someone's coming up or a pedestrian's on the side where the rear traffic alert won't notify you for that. So I like it. And you don't lose anything on the edges here, being nice squared edges too. So, again, nothing crazy, but as far as safety goes, I think this is a good thing. I'm going to mount my dash cam here. I haven't done that yet. But I'm going to do that, and then you probably won't be able to see it. I'm kind of be hidden and tucked behind it too, so it's kind of nice. Okay, guys, want to share that with you. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you on the next one.